Building a business that runs while you rest, you don't need more hours. You need, seriously, the right system. They told us we need to work harder, longer, grind until you die? No, thank you. But here's the actual truth. You don't need 8 hours. You need the right 2. And that's what I finally found. A system that gave me 100% profit, no upline, downline, in just 2 to 3 hours a day. And no, I didn't invent it. I just plugged it in. Let me show you how it works. After getting burned myself by a scam and nearly giving up, I found something real, and it gave me an actual framework, guidance, support, everything. The Freedom Framework. Attract. I shared stories, not sales pitches. Nobody wants to hear that. I don't. Automate. The system follows up, teaches, nurtures, and does the work. Guide. I help others get started the same way I did, with tremendous support. All from home, no inventory, no tech overwhelm, no cold VMs, just a step-by-step path that respects your time. Reality, I earn while I rest. I serve and help while I live. And I'm finally building something worth waking up for. If you're watching this thinking, that sounds like what I've been looking for, don't wait for the next crash, the next burnout, or the next lost year. Go to my site, see the system, watch how it works. It is real. And if you missed parts 1 and 2, go back now, because this is all about freedom. It's built one choice at a time. Drop freedom if you're ready. And get ready, because in series 4, I'm breaking the lie that says, I'm not good with tech. I'm the perfect example. 73 years, zero techie. See you on the next one.